In this class we will manipulate the menus and toolbars, familiarizing ourselves with the program's interface, which will greatly facilitate the daily use of the software. Let's start by opening a new part file, clicking on New, choosing Part and clicking OK. Note that at the top of the screen we have menus and some access icons. Below we have the Command Manager with the toolbars, which can be switched by clicking on the tabs. The Command Manager can be customized, for example, leaving only the toolbars that will be used active. To do this, we right-click on one of the tabs and see that a list of toolbars is displayed. The marked bars are active, and to turn off simply click on it. To activate, just click on the desired bar. Note: if the desired bar is not in the list, click Customize Command Manager and see that a window is displayed and several tabs are shown in the Command Manager. To add a toolbar, just right-click on any tab shown and, under Add tab, choose the desired bar. In the open window, by clicking on Use Large buttons with text we can change the view of the Command Manager to larger icons with the names of the commands. We disabled this option. Under Options, Icon Size, we can choose between 3 sizes for the Command Manager icons. By clicking on the checklist of the bars shown in the list, each time we open a part file, these bars will be displayed automatically. Through the Commands tab, we can add or remove commands from the bars by dragging them. In the Menus tab it is possible to customize the functions accessed through the menus. In the Keyboard tab we can see the default shortcuts for SolidWorks commands or functions, and we can also add or change shortcuts. In the Mouse Gestures tab, by checking this option we can use shortcuts activated with the mouse. We leave at 8 options and see the commands that are set as shortcuts. To use these shortcuts, we must hold down the right mouse button and drag to one of the directions, according to the command you want to activate. We confirm that window. We can also add a toolbar by right-clicking the mouse on some command in the Command Manager and clicking on the desired bar. To position it, simply click on it, hold the click and drag it to the desired location. On the left side of the software screen we have a division with some tabs. In the Feature Manager all features of part modeling, assembly or detailing are stored. We can also access the standard plans and the origin. The Property Manager tab is automatically activated when accessing any command. Configuration Manager allows you to create configurations. The DIM Expert Manager allows you to add tolerances to models automatically, and the Display Manager allows you to assign appearances. By clicking on the icon shown, we can hide this division, increasing the space of the central area, which is the modeling area, where we create our models. See that at the top of this area we have quick access to some functions. On the right side is located the task pane, and in the lower left corner is the reference triad, which indicates the active view and the axes used. Below we can switch to the motion study environment, and in the last area of the screen we have the status bar, which indicates the version of SolidWorks that is being used, as well as the status of the operations that are being performed in the graphic area. We have seen in this class the main features of the SolidWorks interface and how to manipulate menus and toolbars, essential knowledge for the course sequence.